Hey guys, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can download mods in Minecraft. Alright, so let's get started. First things first, I do want to mention our goal is for this video to work for years into the future, even if it's not 2024 anymore. Now, first of all, you're going to need to be getting Forge. Forge is basically the mod loader that works with Minecraft and allows all of these Minecraft mods to actually work and to be able to get installed. There are other mod loaders, for example Fabric, as well as a new mod loader named NeoForge. But right now, Forge is still the most popular mod loader out there, and I don't see that changing for the foreseeable future. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and click on the Download Forge button. But again, if you do have any issues, there's troubleshooting guides as well as frequently asked questions that can easily be clicked on and jump to the guide. So feel free to use this if you run into any issues. I'm going to be covering a lot of issues that you could have in this video. The goal for this is to be the complete guide. So we will be covering a lot of what-ifs in this tutorial. Now let's just go and click on Download button, and it will take us to the Forge download page, where you want to select the version of Minecraft you want to install. This tutorial will generally work. I can't promise it'll work for versions that old, but I know it will work at least through 1.17 and higher. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and just use the most recent version of Minecraft. That's Minecraft 1.20.4. But again, this will work for other versions as well. Once you're here, go ahead and click on the installer button under Download Latest, and that will take us off to this web page. Now don't click on anything on this page. Take your hands off the mouse and keyboard. Wait about 10 seconds, and after that, a red skip button will appear up here in the top right. This is the only thing that you want to click on this page. When you do, Forge will begin downloading. As long as Forge is in the title, which is for us, you're good to keep or save this file if you need to. If the title is different, just go ahead, refuse to download, and make sure you click that skip button in the top right. Now, this should also be a jar file. Sometimes it doesn't say jar depending on your browser, but that is something worth noting as well. Now, at this point, you can go ahead and download mods if you want to. We're going to be downloading a few mods at the beginning of the video. You can also do this after you've got Forge set up. So first things first, we're going to be getting Journey Map. Now, Journey Map is a Minecraft map mod. It's probably one of the best ones out there. Go ahead and scroll down and click on the Download Journey Map. By the way, the popular places to get mods are going to be CurseForge as well as Modrinth. We have Minecraft mods on CurseForge and Minecraft mods on Modrinth. What's cool is you can actually sort and filter by the versions that you want. Once you're on the download page, go ahead, click on Files on CurseForge, and you want to make sure that you're downloading the Forge version. Not NeoForge, not Fabric, but the Forge mod loader version for any Minecraft mod you download, and you also want to make sure that it is the same version as that of your game. So it's for Forge, check. It's 1.20.4 check. So this will work. It is important to note them because even small version changes will not work. After that, click the three dots and select Download File. As you can see, this mod is now downloaded. Now you may select to keep or save it. Once downloaded, there's one more mod I want to download, and that's Biomesoplanty. It's a really cool mod, so the downloading process is same. Click download and it'll take you to CurseForge. The reason I wanted to download this mod is because a lot of the mods you download will actually need another mod, and it can be a little hard to find. So if we scroll down, we can see Terra Blender. What is Terra Blender? Well, it's another mod that is required. If you want to get these exact mods, then follow along. I do want to note that you run into this quite a bit, and sometimes it can be very hard to tell. A lot of times, if you don't install the Terra Blender or Library Compatibility mod, It'll tell you when you launch Minecraft with the original mod. Like if you launch BioMS Plenty without Terra Blender, it'll come up and say, hey, you need Terra Blender for this to work. Now the process is the same as Journey Map. Click on Files. Make sure you're downloading the Forge 1.20.4 version. Click the three dots and click Download. Once that's downloaded, we can repeat that process one more time, but this time for the Terra Blender mod files. Find that 1.20.4 Forge version and click the three dots and download that quickly. It's that simple and easy to get these mods downloaded. Now, like I said, you can install any mod for Forge and the version of Minecraft that you're playing. On CurseForge, if you want to filter by the specific version, scroll down on the left-hand side, select Forge, and then, for example, select 1.20.4. Now, all of these mods should be compatible. Sometimes you get false positives, but generally all these mods should have the Forge version that will work. For example, there's Journey Map, which we are installing in this video. Same thing on Modrinth. Once you're here, you want to make sure you select Forge and then the Minecraft version you want. Now, all of these should be compatible. Both of these are super trusted sites, and you can safely download mods from them. They check all the mods before they're posted publicly to make sure there's no viruses or anything like that on them. Nevertheless, we can now go ahead and minimize our browser. What we want to do is move all of those files that we downloaded to our desktop. Now for me, they're in my Downloads folder. But wherever your files normally download to, that's where they're going to be. It's just a lot easier to manage all of these mods when they're all in one place. But to get started, we want to work on Forge. Now, if your icons are different than mine, or if it doesn't say .jar, that's okay. Let's try to open Forge and see what happens. So just right-click on Forge, click on Open with Click Java, and open it up through it. But if you don't have Java, here's what we need to do. We need to download Java 17. In the future, this may be a different version of Java, but it doesn't matter. It just means that it's the version you need for the most recent modern version of Minecraft. I expect that to change, potentially this year. So I do want to stress that this may be different when you come to the website. Once you're here, you just want to scroll down and you want to download Java. Now, click Download. And then you want to make sure you're downloading it for Windows. Then you want to download the 64-bit installer. From there, you just run it like any other program and it installs Java. Generally 90% of the time you're good to go. At that point, some of you still won't have the right icons and you might not be able to open files with Java. That means you need to run the jar fix. Basically, step 1, get Java, then run the jar fix, and then you will 100% be able to open up Forge and get Minecraft mods. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and install Forge because you should now have Java. So right-click on Forge, click on Open with, click Java, and open it up. This opens up the mod system installer for Forge, where all you've got to do is click Install Client here and click OK. It will now download and install Forge using Minecraft. But for whatever version you're installing Forge for, if it pops up and says it's not successful or it doesn't work, what do? Well, first you want to make sure Minecraft and the Minecraft launcher are closed. If either of those are open, this just won't work. Alternatively, for the most recent version of Minecraft, if you download an older version of Forge and expect it to work, then I'll tell you that it's not going to. What you need to do is, if you're installing Forge 1.15.2, you need to go play Minecraft 1.15.2. So how do you do that? Well, it's really simple. Open up the Minecraft launcher, then go to Installations, and then you want to go to New Installation. After that, you want to set the version you want. So if we wanted 1.12.2, well, we could search for that and then click Create. Now you've got this new 1.12.2 profile. Simply play Minecraft with it, and then as soon as it opens the main menu, close out of it and close out of the launcher. Once you do that, you'll be able to reinstall Forge by right-clicking on it, clicking Open with selecting Java, clicking OK to open up Forge, and then install client. So that is the process that you can expect if you run into any issues there. So make sure that when you've played Minecraft and you're installing Forge, you need to close Minecraft and the Minecraft launcher. But once you get that successful message, go ahead, click OK, and close out of the Forge installer. Now you can delete the Forge file from your desktop. Once done, let's go ahead and install our Minecraft mods. To do that, we want to open up Minecraft with Forge. Now, I already went through the process of creating a new installation if you need to, because sometimes Forge won't create its own installation. In my case, it has. So if I click this little arrow, select Forge, and click play. Now in some cases, that won't have worked. So what do we do in those cases? Well, we go to installations up here at the top. Then what we want to do is make sure modded is checked in the top right. You can see if I don't check it, Forge disappears. So make sure modded is checked. Once you've got it, and it's the right version for you, hover over it, click play, and click play again. But if you still don't have Forge here, or it's not the right version of Forge, click New Installation. Now you can name this whatever you want. I'm going to name it Game Host, and then go and click the Versions drop-down box. In this drop-down box, you want to select your Forge installation. Now for me, it's right up here at the top. You may need to scroll down to find yours, and you can also search. So if we search for 1.20.4, for example, we can see the Forge version there. However, we've now got that selected. I'm going to change my resolution so you can see better once we get in game. Once done, click Create. Now we have this new profile that most importantly has 1.20.4 Forge under it. Hover over it, click Play, and click Play again. Minecraft will now open up with Forge installed. The hard part was installing Forge. If you have made it this far, you have made it 90% of the way there, because now all we've got to do is install our mods. So I'll meet you on the Minecraft main menu to do exactly that. From the Minecraft main menu, we can see that Forge is installed, so that's an indication that it's working. Another one is that there's a mods button there. Well, you can add mods because that's not normally in vanilla Minecraft. So go ahead and click on mods here. And then all we've got to do is click on Open Mods folder in the bottom left to open our mods folder. Now, any Minecraft mods we want, we can just drag and drop into this mods folder, assuming that for the Minecraft version we are playing and for the Forge mod loader. So as you can see, we've got Journey Map, BiomassOplanty, and Terra Blender all pasted into the mods folder. Here we can go ahead and click Done and then quit Minecraft. Yep, you've got to restart Minecraft after you add mods, so you'll need to go ahead and quit it and then open it back up using the same way we just did. You want to make sure that you're playing Minecraft with Forge. Now, at this point, Minecraft's going to open up and our mods will be there. We can confirm this because, well, if we go into the mods button, there they are. Terra Blender, BiomassOplanty, and Journey Map. Not every mod you install is going to be over here. Like if you add Optifine to Minecraft, it's not going to be here. You're only going to be able to see its features by going into Options and Video Settings. But we don't have Optifine. Let's go ahead and check them out. So we'll go ahead and create a new world. I'll make it creative and jump on in game. I always like to confirm that things are working. So in game, we can see that the mini-map is in the top right. That's Journey Map. We instantly spawned into a few BiomassOplanty, and if we go ahead and press J, we can pull up and the full screen map that will load out as we explore this world. We can see here that's where we spawned at, and it's actually on an island here. It's actually pretty cool. If you want to know the seed, you can just press the T key on your keyboard and then type /seed. Once you've typed it in, press enter, and there it is. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. That's basically how you can download mods in Minecraft. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.